Okay, we've got a leaky vent on this one. I went ahead and emailed the company, and Fuelworx sent me a new vent. But I'm going to show you what I mean by the leak. There, I pushed it. So after I emailed them, within a few days, maybe a week, the kind folks at Fuelworx, they sent me a new valve in this huge envelope. After you let a can set for a while, you can always walk up to it and push the button. On my good cans, you'll hear quite a bit of pressure release just from the buildup inside the can. But on this one, I went ahead and marked it vent leaks. Anytime you push it, you had nothing. It just meant that it was open to atmosphere. Let's see how easy it pops out. Not much to it. This is the old one. It appears that an O-ring got out of shape on it. Okay, here's the new one. Okay, on this one, the O-ring is not following the seat. O-ring is embedded back down in here. I don't want to scratch him up. Should just be a pop in. Okay, I'm pushing them in with both thumbs. When it went in, it did go in on a good, it felt like a pretty good seal, just a good even push. It felt like it's all the way around and even. I've got the vent right by my ear and I can't hear any leakage at all. Now I'm going to push the vent. Okay, that was a fix. It's me pushing the button. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. Work safe out there.